You gotta do that shit, yeah.
What?
Do the import first. Drip that shit. Dripped it. Dripped it.
Fuck.
Close the door.
Fuck. Alright, whatever.
Do your moped now.
Moped?
Do the moped.
It's like a two-stroke dirt bike. Alright. Fucking spigot.
Do the dirt bike.
Fucking.
Now do the Volkswagen, that's the last one, and then do the small shit.
Fuck. Well, I can do the V6.
Do the V6 then.
Oh, the Subaru too. And the Subaru. That one sucks. Fuck. The dirt bike again?
Just right.
Alright, Volkswagen, last one.
That shit gonna run out yet?
You only got 2 minutes 39 seconds.
Oh, wait.
Perfect stall.
And a weed whacker.
Weed whacker. Oh shit. That's fucking hilarious.
That's all I can do though.
That's all the sounds. Awesome. Oh my.